बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा ऐसा है यूज़ ऑफ मोबाइल फ़ोन के यूज़ पर। मोबाइल फ़ोन्स हैव बिकम अ वाइटल टूल इन टुडेज सोसाइटी। द डिवाइस हैज़ ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम अ लग्जरी आइटम टू अ नेसेसिटी. The extensive use of mobile phones has had a significant impact on our lives. There are various benefits and drawbacks to using mobile phones. One of the significant benefits of mobile phones is that they have made communication easier and more accessible. With the help of mobile phones, we can stay in touch with our family and friends anywhere in the world. In time of emergency, we can contact emergency services quickly through our mobile phones. Mobile phones have also transformed the way people access information. Now people can quickly search for information on various topics and stay informed. It has also made it easier for people to access news and stay updated on current events. A wide range of features present in mobile phones have made our lives easier. Now we can manage our finance, stay up to date with the news, and even order food or groceries easily. Mobile phones are also an essential tool for businesses, as employees can work remotely and stay connected with their colleagues and clients. However, the use of mobile phones also has its drawbacks. One of the most significant drawbacks is addiction. Many people spend hours on social media or playing games on their phones. This addiction can be harmful to their mental health and lead to anxiety and stress. Mobile phones can also impact social interactions. People often use their phones during social gathering and don't pay attention to their surroundings. The overuse of mobile phones can also make it harder for people to focus on long-term tasks. The use of mobile phone has also raised concern about privacy and security. With so much personal information stored on the device, there is a risk of data breach and identity theft. It is important to use mobile phones responsibly and strike a balance between their benefits and drawbacks. ये था हमारा ऐसे यूज़ ऑफ मोबाइल फ़ोन पे। वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।